La la, let's eat. Let's prepare our ingredients first. Let's peel the potato and cut it the desired shape you want. And peel the ginger. Cut it the desired one. And depende sa'yo kung gaano karami ang gusto mo. And also onion, and also fresh ceiling bean na haba. And now let's start cooking by putting oil and ginger in a hot pan. I prefer small amount of oil on it. Then put the chicken. Our chicken today is 2 fresh chicken legs. Let's mix it so that cook equally. Then put the half of white onion. Mixed again for the taste become equal. Then put the black pepper crush and also the magic syrup for taste. Mix again. Then cover it so that it cook the ingredients together with the chicken. Then mix again so that the taste is equal. And put the sauces and let it cook. Cover it. Now it's already cooked. Let's put the potato and mix it so that the taste and the ingredients meet together. Then cover it so that the potato will cook, and then while waiting we prepare the boiled egg. Just remove the skin and cut it the desired you want. Let's go back to our chicken. I think it's cooked, and let's mix again so that the flavor meet together. Then put the siling haba and white onion for final touch so that it gives beautiful color, and put the vinegar so that it makes fresh taste. And then mix again. it looks perfectly nice now. And let's cook one more time. Ta-da! It's really finally done. Let's put the egg. Oh, sorry. Dalawa na lang natira. Nagustuhan po kasi ng baby ko. Kinain po niya. Let's cut it again so that dumami naman. Tatakam ka na ba? Kain ka na. And let's add green fresh okra so that it will add healthy to our meal. Sauce is very good, very tempting.